Welcome to Sri Ram Medical College. Today we will explore medical lab technician innovation, embracing new technologies and techniques. The size of laboratory equipment used in medicine is decreasing. You can free up a ton of storage space on your shelves by doing this. By removing the need for expensive pumps and valves previously needed to properly store samples, new technology may make this possible. These fluidic components can integrate numerous laboratory procedures onto a single chip, reducing the need for various instruments and personnel as well as the associated costs. There has been a general trend towards smaller and smaller samples. Thanks to advancements in technology, we now only need to keep a fraction of the historical sample size. Due to advancements in technology, scientists can now store samples in microtiter trays rather than in individual test tubes. To further reduce the potential for cross-contamination, modern sample collection techniques have implemented the use of a tiny valve that shuts off the flow of fluid between pores. All of the data from your modern lab can be uploaded to the cloud. Likewise, the machinery can sound an alarm and notify the lab technician or scientist when something is wrong. Because environmental factors can affect experimental outcomes, maintaining a controlled laboratory environment is crucial and needs close supervision. A minor temperature shift, if left uncorrected, can have a noticeable impact on the end product. When there is a sudden temperature shift in a freezer, an alarm is sent to the designated contact's smartphone. People may keep tabs on a study from their computers or mobile devices no matter where they are. An overwhelming majority of researchers, 81%, agree that this was helpful to their efforts. The location of some diagnostic tests have shifted from the laboratory to be more convenient for the patient. Point-of-care testing, POCT, results are available within minutes of sample collection, and home testing gives patients the maximum convenience. Many professionals are divided on whether or not this development portends a major shift in where diagnostic labs are located. Both tests are expanding, but high prices, mistakes, inability to link test results to other clinical processes and information systems, and third-party payer coverage constraints may hamper them. By storing data in the cloud, researchers may publish their findings much more rapidly than in the past. By utilizing cloud technology, several researchers from various facilities can upload data for a single project and view it simultaneously. It's now feasible to perform work from many locations. The capacity to easily share information and collaborate on projects is a huge productivity booster. Although automation of laboratory equipment is not new, its development and application have expanded into previously unanticipated spheres. Flexibility in function and application increases as technology advances, allowing a single machine to perform an increasing number of jobs. Many of the labor-intensive, repetitive experimental stages that were traditionally conducted by hand are now unnecessary thanks to automation. The time required to produce results has been drastically reduced. With more time on their hands, laboratory personnel can analyze data with greater critical thinking, rather than just recording it. Scientists are using a variety of automated tools to help them from the beginning of a study through its completion, and even beyond. As environmental issues become more pressing, they affect every industry, even the scientific one. Unfortunately, laboratories consume roughly 5 times as much power per square foot as a standard workplace. There is a high cost due to the machinery and the unsociable hours. Fortunately, technological progress has provided scientists with tools for optimizing resource utilization. New open labs are being used by scientists all around the world to facilitate the sharing of lab supplies and infrastructure. Open laboratories benefit both the scientists who work there and the general public by making pricey equipment more widely available. Recycling is an easy practice to neglect despite its seeming simplicity. Recycling is a good way to dispose of empty containers and broken equipment in laboratories that follow environmental, health, and safety requirements. Spending money on products that include recycled components helps maintain the recycling process. Moreover, the cost of products made from recycled materials tends to be lower. Researchers have reduced their impact on the environment by decreasing their resource use in laboratories. Using automation and other technology, laboratories can determine the precise amount of materials and chemicals needed for a given experiment. The double benefits of this are lower landfill waste and lower overall costs. Now more than ever, scientists can easily share data and resources thanks to improved communication and collaboration tools. Scientists can expedite processes and reduce costs by embracing robotic innovations in the lab and by implementing environmental measures. These innovations are becoming increasingly common because of the speed, efficiency, and low cost at which they produce outcomes. We must overhaul the laboratory to develop a digital diagnostic network that will make the linked world reality and enhance global health through game-changing discoveries. A cutting-edge, quality-driven digital approach for laboratory operations that offers unmatched simplicity, new innovations, and dependability is essential as technology changes our lives and workplaces. At-home diagnostics will soon be available, allowing phlebotomists to perform tests on patients and provide immediate findings. The ultimate goal is to pave the way for a more personalized, preventative, and proactive approach to healthcare that is available to more people in more places. Technology is currently undergoing a revolution in clinical laboratories, and this trend will most likely continue throughout the 21st century. Technology advancements in laboratory testing will lead to many new treatments and cures in medicine. When it comes to providing health care, new technologies are generally associated with better outcomes, lower error rates, and higher standards of care. If new technologies are more expensive, their adoption may be hampered by the unwillingness of payers to cover the additional expenses. B.VoC in Medical Laboratory Technology Eligibility Criteria. 12th class from any recognized board. Students, arts/commerce/science, of any age can apply. A minimum score of 50% in the 12th class. Join Shri Ram Medical College and take the first step toward a successful career in medical laboratory technology. We are here to assist you in launching your career as a medical lab technician. Call us at 9968193009 for more information about our program or to submit an application right away. Shri Ram Medical College, nurturing next generation of healthcare leaders, and offers all paramedical courses at competitive fee and helps in 100% placement assistance. Admission open. For more information, please visit our website shriramcollege.com and like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel Shri Ram Medical College. Good luck, goodbye.